On behalf of NxtWave Institute of Advanced Technologies and Chaitanya deemed to be University, I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, enthusiastic students, and the proud parents. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter filled with learning, discovery, and opportunities to grow both personally and professionally.
What is your next 10 years plan?
I want to see myself as a future tech leader.
We are honored to have with us Mr. Rahul Attuluri, CEO and co-founder of NxtWave and NIAT.
కొన్ని అన్సర్టెనిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని సర్టెన్ థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వీటన్నిటి కాంబినేషన్ మీద మనం రేపు పొద్దున వాళ్ళు ఫ్యూచర్కి తగ్గట్టుగా ఉంటారు అనే దాని బేసిస్ మీద మనం ఎన్ఐఐటి మొత్తం ప్రోగ్రామ్ని కూడా డిజైన్ చేయబడడం జరిగిందండి. మా ఉద్దేశం ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ఐఐటిలో జాయిన్ అయ్యే ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళని కూడా టెక్నాలజీ లీడర్స్ అండ్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్స్ అని అంటున్నామండి.
What if I told you that you can change your life?
There'll be a lot of days, especially for people who are working very hard, right? You'll be able to push yourself, but only till a limit. And then comes a breakdown point. And that's when I go back to one of my most favorite quotes. So if you're going through hell, keep going. Because after a point of time, the good time will come back to you.
My purpose here is to encourage all of you towards entrepreneurship, but this might motivate some of you to start your own companies later on.
If you're having a degree without a skill, it doesn't make any sense. But if you're having a degree along with the skill, then, companies would prefer you.
Why did you choose NIAT?
So actually I have seen many people transform themselves after joining NIAT. So even I wanted to become one of them, so I joined NIAT.